Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is what we're working with right now, and we're going to turn these nails into these nails, and you guys are going to be super amazed about how I actually do my own acrylic nails at home now. So these are actually some nails that I actually had on for about 2 weeks now, and I actually only lost a few nails, which is pretty good. I'm gonna be a little honest with you guys. When I put too much force on some of the nails, they do come off, but I just like to carry around some glue. So this is actually the glue that I use. This is a Kiss maximum speed nail glue, and I did get this from HEB, or you can actually get it from Walmart. I actually found it on Amazon as well, so you can check there. You are going to need a couple of items. So the first thing you're going to need is some fake nails. These nails I actually got from Amazon as well. You can find them pretty much anywhere on Amazon, but they have different ones. These are the ones that I just found were the cheapest. I believe they were like, honestly, like $3.99 or something like that, and it comes with all of these nails, and I like it because it does come in like this case, so it stays very organized. For plastic nails, another thing that I really like is, since I do like doing my own coffin shape, these already come coffined, but I do like to shape them a little bit more to be like more like this, you know, like my thumb, a little bit more narrow and skinnier. It also helps make them stronger. Just any ones that you want. If you want to just do square nails, you can do square nails. If you want to do, you know, oval, pointy, whatever, you can pretty much just type in whatever nails you want and you will find the shape already made for you. The glue is another. Also with a glue, you can use, you know, just regular super glue if you wanted. I found that it is actually stronger just to use super glue. Only thing with the super glue is you got to make sure you don't get it on your fingers, because your finger on your actual finger skin, because it will of course stick your fingers together, so you do got to be a little bit careful with that. Going to need some type of file. This one I just got at my local drugstore. This one's called Diamond Cosmetics. This is actually like a pretty good one with filing the nails. You don't really have to file the nails, but I just personally like to shape them better so that they come out better. Type of clippers to clip the actual nails, so you know, like a nail clipper. This one is a super old one that I used to just, you know, keep just to trim down my nails. And then you are going to need some type of nail polish. The nail polish that I love using for, you know, my own at-home nails is this line. It's called Insta Dry. I just feel like I don't have the patience to sit there if it's not going to be gel and sit underneath the machine. This just takes so much less time, and it dries better, to be honest, versus, you know, other nail polishes. So I do use this one, which is called Insta Dry, and this is in the color Sugar Pony. So this is the color we are going to be using today. Get the same brand of nail shiner to go on top, so like, you know, the clear coat, just so that it can dry faster, because I did find that even though if I do use this, the color, and I use some type of other clear coat on top of this, it kind of takes forever to dry, and then your nails will come out kind of like smeary from, you know, trying to let them dry. And it's just so much less of a hassle if you just use this brand, because it dries quicker. And they also have really cute nude colors. This actually color that I have on my nails right now are from the same line. I'm gonna go ahead and quit talking, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing you obviously want to do is take off the nails that you had on before, and these are just super easy. I just like to, you know, to have some type of nail on the other side of your hand and just, you know, take them off. But I actually like to do this hand first because it's easier when you have nails on still, so it's like super easy to come off. Sometimes some of them hurt if you put more glue on than the other hand, then, you know, it will hurt. I found that this hand actually lasts longer than this hand, which is super weird, but I guess it's just because I use this hand more, which is my right hand. But I mean, it just all depends on how much glue you put. Some of them are super hard to get off, so like this one is actually kind of painful. But I found that it's actually more less damaging than actually getting your nails done, because you're not putting the acrylic powder, you're just kind of like gluing the nail on there. But I just like to, you know, peel it off. So you see how that one came off super easy. So now this hand is completely done. So I know I look totally weird. You guys probably have never seen me without, you know, nails on, but I guess it's getting real today. Oh, that one kind of hurt. Okay, so now I have the old acrylic nails, so I can just throw these away. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to take your clippers and you want to, you know, trim down your real nails, because I just feel like it helps better than having, you know, all your real nail and the fake nail being long. Your real nail long and then the fake nail, you can kind of see the real nail underneath, and I just think it looks less natural. I'm actually starting to bleed because one of them was on really well, so that's the only thing about doing your own nails at home. Sometimes like other nails will be stronger than others and it will be pretty painful to take off. But I mean, it does still save you some money. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and set out my nails, and I'm going to kind of look at my nails and decide which nail is going to be good for each nail. So I kind of just like to take the nail and kind of just measure and see if it fits the whole entire nail. Like this one, for instance, you could still see the sides a little bit, so obviously that one isn't going to work, so I'm gonna have to go a size up, and that one still doesn't work. These are numbered very, very small on the tips, so you can kind of like see if, you know, fit your pointer finger on this hand, then you get the same number and put it on the other, just so you don't have to keep guessing which number you're going to be. So what I like to do is I like to just, you know, measure every single nail to make sure that each one fits. And then I'm just going to literally glue the nail on the finger. So I like to kind of put the glue kind of like halfway, just so it's, you know, strong enough. And I'm going to kind of let it get tacky a little bit, kind of like how you would do eyelashes, but except you're, you know, obviously not going to see the glue. You can kind of see it because it's clear. And then I'm just going to make sure that as soon as I put it down, it is straight, because after you put it down, you can't move it. And then I do like to press on the nail like that. Just make sure you don't get glue on your finger. And then I'm just going to go back into my nail kit here, and I'm just going to kind of go along every nail to see if it fits. I'm going to go through all of the nails and repeat the same exact step. So I'm not going to bore you guys with redoing this over and over, so I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up. You have all of your nails on, this is how they look. So obviously we are not finished, so I'm going to go back and clip the nails. So what I like to do is I like to kind of just measure every single pair to make sure that they are both the same. So I'm just going to kind of eye this. So how I usually do it is I usually bring my clippers as far as I can down and then just clip it. And that's usually the length that works for me. Finish, you know, coffin shape, they do look, you know, kind of uneven. We're going to go back and shape them, so that's why I feel like shaping them is definitely important, because obviously some people don't like their nails this long. But my file and just shape in each nail. And how I like to do this is I like to take the file and then just sharpen kind of like the edges of it, I guess you would say, like just pressing the nail like this way instead of like going straight like this. You're gonna get more of a coffin shape if you angle it a little different and move it back and forth like that. So this is kind of hard to explain without, you know, making so much noise and explaining it at the same time, but like I said, I like to kind of like angle it at an angle so we get more of a like I guess, wider feel here, and then it starts to go pointed. So I'm going to show you guys one nail, and then you guys will, I guess, see what I'm talking about more when it's actually painted, but it's just a little hard to show you guys since it's clear. But that is like a huge difference compared to this one right here. It's definitely a lot more pointed, more defined, and I just think it looks better personally. It looks like you actually got your nails done when you shape them. I've just learned how to shape them just because, like, I used to get my nails done like this for like 3 years now, and I used to watch him how he would shape them. So that's kind of how I learned, but I mean, you can watch other videos to get more of the desired look that you're looking for. So this is how the shape came out. I don't know if you guys can see, probably not because they are clear, but we are going to go ahead and paint them. That way you guys can go ahead and see the color of the actual nails. So I'm actually going to place my hands on top of this box, and I'm going to be painting my nails with this color. This color is called Sugar Poppy, and this is from the Insta Dry, like I mentioned. And I'm just going to take this color and apply it to my nails. So this is actually what the shape looks like. So now you guys can see a better look into the shape. And now I'm just going to go ahead and paint the rest of the nail. Okay, so this is both hands already painted, and then I'm going to go back over and I'm going to put this Insta Dry nail color coat right on top of this. That way it can dry even faster, plus it has a shine. This is how they look. I actually am really happy with the shape. Just doing this more and more just makes me get better at the shape, and I actually really like the color of this nail polish as well. So it came out like a light peachy pink color. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't of course forget to hit the bell down below. That way you guys are notified every single time I upload. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.